everyone, I am S. Mutarnika from first year Mechatronics. Today I am here to share the business model Canva of Reddit. So I am going to tell about key activities and key partners. Key partners are content creators and technological partners and advertising companies. And key activities are content moderation and infrastructures. Hi everyone, I am S. Key activities are platform maintenance, content moderation and user engagement.
Value propositions are community-driven platform, real-time engagement, and channels are web development and mobile app and API and integration.
Key resources: server maintenance, community moderators, and development team streams. Advertising, premium.